Oof, my gosh, 3:52. Today's Sunday. It's one of those days where it took me, what seemed like 15 minutes to find my car keys. It turns out it was in my car. Alright, we are getting ready to head over to Stanton. It's another trip to Stanton, California, Rodeo 39. Got some new stuff out there apparently, so let's go. Okay Google, give me a little direction action to Rodeo 39. Nice. Alright, I'm excited. Right, so we're about 5 or 6 minutes away from Anaheim packing house. I did a little audible, called a little audible, and I'm headed over to Anaheim packing house. I'm feeling a little sluggish, so let's see what they got out there. You know, I'm hoping they got some nice little coffee place, or maybe a little bit of boba, or you know, I don't know, maybe I'll get some fried chicken to boost up my energy. Alright, I just parked. Here's a little bit of a pro tip, at least from me, from my perspective. I definitely like it a lot, is I never park at the parking lot. No, the Anaheim packing house parking lot, there's like maybe 100 spaces, give or take. And from my experience, it's always packed and full, and you gotta find all these ways to go about it. No, I park within maybe 2 blocks radius. I really enjoyed the walk over there.
Hi, are we dining in or taking out?
Taking out. Hi, just taking out?
Go on ahead.
Great, thank you. Kind of feels like having to go through security. They got socially distanced tables from what I can tell. That looks kind of cool. Looks like smoothies. There's a decent sized crowd. Nice little decor. Hey buddy, how's it going? Alright, I got most of the layout on the second floor. Alright, I'm tucked away in one of the corners here, and I think I found something that I want to give a try to. Churro latte it is. Not sure what the situation is here, but I am attracted to this craft soda machine. There's so many nooks and crannies here. You definitely want to make sure you explore all the different places. All right. Well, that was it. That was my trip to Anaheim Packing House. Wow, you can really smell and taste the churro. Okay, let's see. Yeah, my navigation was very, very good. Anaheim. Let's go to Rodeo 39. Apparently, it's a shopping mall. 17 minutes away. All right. I'm gonna take some city streets. There we go.
Head north on South.
Establishments alone. Alright. I am outside Rodeo 39 right now. I'm gonna whip around.
Destination number 1.
I think this place is absolutely packed right now. I mean, I don't see any open spaces at all. Some ice cream action. Some coffee action. Well, that's enough fun for me. So that's it. There you have it. Rodeo 39. Yesterday was the grand opening. Today, it's grand opening plus one. So, what do you think? So you can see, you get the similar concept like the Anaheim Packing House. It's basically curated eateries, curated, the curated bar, the way they have it set up. They got curated. They chose some bakeries. At least one bakery that I can remember. There's one ice cream place. There's a boba place. So they got like a perfect mix of a little bit of everything. So what do you think? Is this the kind of place that you like to check out? Would you come back? And what's your first place to come? Please like and comment and subscribe below. We're gonna have a lot more content, and we'll see you around. Signing off, Fat Cat Productions. This is Lewis. All right. channel, it's focused more on business, it's more focused on entrepreneurship and finance. So let's make it about that. My question to everyone is, we're in COVID year 2020. We're in California. We're in this very interesting situation, and I just want to know what everyone's thinking about. If you're a small business owner right now who are making moves, making operations, are you already anticipating for a better situation? Are you already anticipating a improvement? Are you anticipating, a lot of improvement in terms of, do you think there's going to be a vaccine? Do you think, are you just projecting that things are going to keep improving and you're willing to make a financial risk, take the financial risk, and you're willing to make that plunge into starting your new business, whether it's a restaurant, whether it's a service industry, whether it's, would you start a bar right now? I'm really, really curious. So comment below, and I love to hear your comments and love to hear your stories and your successes. And, I think it is absolutely the coolest thing in the world to, really make that financial stake and really take that plunge, because I think obviously, that's such a big investment to be investing right now that, I really hope everyone's small businesses are doing well,